Good morning, YouTube. Starting my day. Oh, yep, 5:13. Kind of cloudy. Starting the day. Yeah. Here on Planet Inting. Fix the bed. There you go. Here's my YouTube. Gonna go to the rotunda at Frente O right now. There, my tiny little drone and some batteries. There. Don't forget your power bank. Very important. Okay. Out I go on my way. It's kinda, 5 a.m. is how 5 a.m. feels. Very low. Very low. By the way, I'm filming on the DJI Osmo Nano, and we gotta get breakfast first. I was about to get breakfast in McDonald's, but they're still closed under maintenance. Just get here. Morning. Okay, yung breakfast, no? One lang. Namoy kwan? Coke Zero? Okay. Sige. One lang. Papa. Saan yung King Special? Saan yung King Special?
Ano siya tapos two-piece na steam beef siomai with egg and rice.
Okay. Sige. Dine-in lang. King Special. Nya, Coke Zero. This is your typical Filipino breakfast. Eggs. Well, it's not really aesthetically pleasing here. We got beef tapa. Let's take a little stroll. entering Puente Osmeña. Take a little stroll here for a while. So cool. Okay, and we're gonna do a little follow 2 with our little bad boy here, DJI Neo 2. You know, just a couple.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. We'll just do a couple. Go home. Buy some bread. Okay. No. Cool. Buy some juice. Just passing the main gate there. Church parking lot there. So it's calamansi juice.
$17. Thank you.
Sure. Whew. Chill. Before we go home. Cheers. Bottoms up.
Sa tingko, wag ka na ulaw. Laruan lang sa'yo kaya to sakot. Ano ba yung sulatan? Oh, wait.
Now to go home. And yeah, by the way, thanks for watching. And yeah, see you in the next video for more POV. Vince here, and yeah, don't forget to click and subscribe, and you have a good one. Take care. Peace.